Aha! Let me tell you a little story. The story of how a magical jar of shito is made. Not just any shito. This one is made with care, flavor, and love. Just for my customers. It all begins with a backbone of flavors. That is, blending of our gingers, garlics, and some onions together with some oil. Carefully pour the blended ingredients into a pan and give it a stir. The scent alone will make your mouth water. Once you're done with the stirring, carefully lift your pan and place it gently on your fire or on your stove. Next comes our tuna. I drain all the water out from it and I'm adding 2 tins of canned tuna. You can omit it if you do not want it or if your customer do not like it. Now time to stir. Stir, stir, stir it beautifully. Alright, at this point, I am going to cover it and allow it to simmer gently. And on the other side, I am frying my meat. It has already been cooked, and as you can see, we are cutting it into smaller pieces. Fry it so it is brown in color like what you are seeing in the video. Alright, the shito has been frying on fire for 1 hour now. That is 60 minutes now. And then that is where the magic begins. I'm adding in kivo pepper powder and I'm using 5 sachets of it. It is bold, spicy, and I think it's full of character. So I pour the 5 sachets of the kivo pepper powder in and give it a stir. Now I'm going to change the ladle because this is too small to a bigger ladle. Okay, and at this point, if you are new to this channel, my name is Yummy Cash, and if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and do not forget to share. Once I'm done with this, I am going to leave it on fire to simmer or to fry on the low and very slow heat for about additional 1 hour. So in total, the shito has been frying for about 2 hours now. It is time to season it. I add a little seasoning here and then give it a very good stir. Now you can use Maggi cubes if that is what you want, but in this video I'm using seasoning powder. Now the next thing to come in is my homemade spice mix. If you want to know how I made that, please check the description for a full and detailed video. Okay, I will give it a very good stir for everything to be well incorporated. And now time to add in some salt. Now the addition of salt depends on the quantity of the seasoning powder or the seasoning cubes you added. Okay, so you have to be very careful, just enough to awaken the taste buds and also bring some balance to the shito. Okay, so I added about 2 or 3 teaspoons of it again, and then additional 1 tablespoon of the spice mix to it again and give it a stir. Shito isn't just about spice. No. It's about depth. Okay, That's why I am adding in some grounded crayfish. And sometimes you can add in herrings or grounded fish. You know, just add whatever you want. Okay. Now the next thing to come in is some whole crayfish. Crayfish is basically shrimps. Okay. So the first one, the powdered one, is grounded shrimps powder. And this is whole shrimps powder. Whole shrimps. That is going to give the sauce that deep, rich umami flavor that lingers on your tongue. And not forgetting our juicy bit of fried meat, tender and flavorful. Now stir it into the shitter like little surprises in every bit. It's that extra love that sets this recipe apart. Carefully and gently stir everything in beautifully, and then taste for your seasoning, your salt, and everything. If you are in Berlin or its surroundings, satisfy your cravings with delicious shitter and pastries from Alfkash Foods. Place your order today and enjoy authentic flavors delivered to your doorstep. Contact details are on the screen. So what I'm adding in is some leftover shrimp powder and some leftover fish powder. Stir it beautifully in, and you can see our shitter is looking super delicious, right? And now I will add in some grated nutmeg, which will give the shitter that aromatic scent. You understand? So me ye aduane na se aduane no entu hwa pa. Means me nye and I mean to me dimpo. Yes, and I mean feel so comfortable. Yes, I mean ye aduane no bi wa bontia or to say aha. Yes, sika aduane no yes sika ye ziban. Oh no, and I'm a poo. So at this point, I'll add in some more oil. For Papa. You know, we ever find this. I pour the oil in. You know, shitter and oil. They are like 4 and 5. What's your say? And in total, I used about I don't so much remember, but I think I used 3.5 liters of oil. Okay, and I used more of it after I'm done with everything. So in total, I'll say I used 4 liters of oil. Now at this point, I'll just leave it on fire to slowly fry for about 2 hours, and this is the result of it. All right, so this is the shitter. It's been about 2 hours now, and we have our sauce, and it's not just a sauce, it is tradition, it is heritage. And I'm gonna bottle it up, seal it tight, and then sit down and smile, because I know everyone is going to love every single scoop. So this is me showing you how tired I am, looking beautiful even though I am tired. Whether you hate me or you love me, I love you. And then whether you're eating it with your rice, yam, kinky, wachi, or even bread, just know this shitter was made with heart, made with care, and made just for you. My name is Yummy Cash. Cheers.